we conducted online classes during Corona. It was also the Herculean job to re-establish everything after pandemic COVID-19. Our president, sir, ma'am and whole staff did the teamwork. Not only this, our parents and students also cooperated well. कोरोना काल में जहां सब कुछ अव्यवस्थित हो चुका था, वहां हमारे विद्यालय के अध्यक्ष महोदय एवं प्रबंधक महोदय के अथक प्रयासों का यह प्रतिफल है कि जो बच्चे कोरोना में विद्यालय छोड़ चुके थे वह पुनः आने लगे। अप्रैल सन 2021 में एक वर्ष बाद विद्यालय पुनः खुले, लेकिन पुनः कोरोना के बढ़ते मामलों को देखकर शहरों में आंशिक लॉकडाउन हो गया, जिसके कारण हमारे स्कूल में ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं पूर्ववत सुचारू रूप से चलती रहीं।
अनन्या, कॉल और टीचर हियर।
जी सर, आप सभी को प्रिंसिपल सर बुला रहे हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। कम एंड सिट डाउन प्लीज। How are you? School is open, but again Corona cases are increasing. If children will come in school, then it is difficult to maintain them distance. According to government guideline, whole teaching staff will not come to the school together. Only 1/3 of staff will come on each day.
Sir, what about online classes?
Oh, yes, classes will be held from home. Teacher will take classes online from here and from home also. Timing 7 AM to 12 PM. After that, the query period will be held from 6 to 30 PM.
Okay, sir.
जुलाई 2021 से धीरे धीरे हमारे विद्यालय में कक्षा 9-10 के बच्चे आने लगे। 30% या 40% बच्चे आते थे। उन्हें कक्षा में बैठने के लिए एक कंसेंट फॉर्म दिया गया, जिसमें अभिभावकों से अनुमति ली गई।
Our teachers should explain our government guideline to our students.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning, बच्चों।
बच्चों, जब आप लोग क्लास में जाएंगे तो 2 गज की दूरी बनाकर अलग अलग सीट पर बैठिएगा। ओके मैम।
सभी बच्चों को मास्क लगा कर रहना है। अगर किसी को खांसी, बुखार या जुकाम हो तो ठीक होने पर ही स्कूल आएं।
यस मैम।
बच्चों, और एक बात, तुम लोगों को सैनिटाइजर से अपने हाथों को बार बार साफ करते रहना है।
ओके सर। 9 सितंबर 2021 में छोटी कक्षाओं के विद्यार्थी भी आने लगे। उन बच्चों का मास्क लगाकर आना और सैनिटाइजर लेकर आना जरूरी था। शिक्षकों ने देखा कि बच्चों की उपस्थिति कक्षा में नगण्य है। अभिभावक डरे हुए थे, इसलिए वे बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना नहीं चाहते थे। उन बच्चों को स्कूल आने के लिए प्रेरित करना और अभिभावकों को संतुष्ट रखना बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी थी।
Children, you have to come to school daily, and those students who could not able to come to school, they have to attend online classes. Deposit your old books to previous class so that it can be given to other students.
Okay ma'am, I will bring all my books. I will also bring the book of class 5 and take the book of class 6 from school.
Okay.
It means we have book bank in school.
Yes, books are not available in the market, so school is running book bank facilities so that some student has financial issues so that it can also be solved.
सभी प्रयासों के बावजूद कुछ समस्याएं बच्चों के सामने भी थी। जो बच्चे स्कूल नहीं आ सकते, उनका ऑनलाइन क्लास करना जरूरी है। उज्जवल, why were you absent in online classes? Ma'am, I don't have mobile, so I could not join the class. Tell your parents to arrange a mobile phone. Some parents discussion.
Since 1 year, our children are not going to school, so why should we deposit the school fee then?
Hey, here you are wrong. It is true that children are not going to school, but they are having online classes. You know, they are learning a lot. My daughter filled a grammar book with the help of mobile. My ward also participated in fancy dress show. He acted as Swami Vivekananda. Yoga Day was also celebrated online. The school took good care of all-round development of child.
Hey, listen. Here is a broadcast notice that PT2 exam will be going to begin from 5th December. How come online class? I heard that paper will come online. We are going to school in order to collect exam copies. After solving the paper, we will submit it in office. Technical devices used during Corona pandemic was a great challenge, not only for teachers but also for students and parents. It increases the learning capacity of children. If we think children are lagging behind during Corona pandemic, it is wrong. Children share best output in online classes. It made them well versed in the field of telecommunication. Now they can independently able to search their queries in internet. Today is our school in artificial intelligence and robotics workshop. Students took active part. Our teacher and even student know mobile is not only the device of entertainment but a device of enhance our learning capacity. As we know, NEP New Education Policy has been introduced in 2020, which we are following already in our school. It is according to child interest. In the session, yoga and information technology classes have been introduced in our institution. ML Convent Bagambari Gaddi has got recognition of intermediate in commerce faculty, and ML Convent Bagambari Gaddi is now changed its name to ML Convent School and College. Thanks to all the parents for their active cooperation during Corona time. अपने अभिभावकों, अध्यापकों और विद्यालय प्रबंधक के आभारी हैं कि कोरोना की विषम परिस्थिति से वे हमें बाहर ले आए और हमारी पठन पाठन की प्रक्रिया को चलाए रखा, जिस कारण वर्तमान की नई चुनौतियों का सामना करने के लिए सक्षम हो सके। हम यह आशा करते हैं कि आने वाले समय में यदि कोई विषम परिस्थिति उत्पन्न होती है तो हम सम्मिलित रूप से प्रयास करेंगे और सफल होंगे। जय